Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming connectivity. Make sure Wi-Fi or Ethernet is active and other devices can browse. Once done, quit Chrome fully and restart your computer to clear transient hangs. You should then open an incognito window to test loading without extensions or cache influence. This isolates extension or cookie problems quickly. If pages load in incognito, make sure to disable extensions, stepwise, and clear site data for the affected domains so normal browsing can return. Next, tackle network and browser settings that often block pages. You run a DNS flush to clear corrupted name lookups, then verify there's no proxy or misconfigured VPN interfering. Try switching to a public DNS like 8 or 1 to rule out resolver issues. After network checks, reset Chrome settings to defaults. That preserves bookmarks but clears conflicting flags. Finally, disable extensions one at a time while reloading pages so you find any extension. To finish, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall Chrome, remove leftover profile or cache folders, and install the latest stable version so corrupted binaries or profiles won't persist. If problems remain, create a fresh user profile or try another browser to determine whether the issue is system-wide. Make sure to open DevTools and copy any console or network errors. You'll need those details if you escalate. If nothing fixes it, use that error output when contacting support so you get targeted assistance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.